Good morning once again. My name is Tamnosiki A. Roberts, Chairman, NBO Okrika Branch. We have before us today the press statement issued by the Chairman of the 8 branches of the Nigerian Bar Association in Rivers State on the resolution of the Rivers State House of Assembly directing the DSS to investigate the Chief Judge of the state. The attention of the 8 branches of the NBA in Rivers State has been drawn to a resolution passed by the Rivers State House of Assembly on Wednesday, the 12th day of March, 2025, directing the Department of State Security to investigate the Rivers State Chief Judge on allegations of falsification of age. It is quite unfortunate that despite the already heated polity in Rivers State, we are still experiencing escalations such as this. We recognize the constitutional powers and roles of the 3 arms of government in the state. We also recognize the need for these arms of government to work in synergy for the peace, progress, and development of the state. Thus, there is need for mutual respect amongst all the parties. We are not unaware of the existing political impasse between the legislature and the executive arms of government in Rivers State. However, we must caution that the judiciary should not be drawn into the ongoing imbroglio for no just cause. We reiterate that the independence of the judiciary is crucial to the sustenance of peace and stability in the state, as contending parties ultimately resort to the judiciary for the resolution of disputes, as has recently been witnessed at the Supreme Court. There is no need to escalate tensions, as the stability of Rivers State is crucial to the economy of the state and the country. We can easily recall the incidences in 2024 to 2025, which exposed the judiciary and judicial officers. 2014 to 2025, rather, which exposed 2014 to 2015, which exposed the judiciary and judicial officers that resulted in the closure of our courts. We cannot afford to experience a similar occurrence in the present times we find ourselves in the state, and especially for the interest of the good people of Rivers State to have their ongoing matters in court without interruptions. Every action in the public service has a prescribed procedure which all should respect and observe to forestall chaos and anarchy in the state. In the case of the judiciary, any complaint against one of its officers is dealt with by the National Judicial Council, which alone has the authority to carry out any disciplinary action or authorize any investigation against any judge. The role of security agencies is clearly defined, and they also must respect due process and work within the ambit of the law. It is therefore advised that the judiciary should not be intimidated into succumbing to blackmail, bullying, or political pressure in the discharge of their duties. The need for the protection of the judiciary cannot be overemphasized, as the judiciary remains the last hope of the common man, and indeed everyone, including politicians. We continue to appeal to all contenders to sheath their swords and genuinely seek peace in the interest of Rivers State and the economy of Nigeria at large. Long live the Nigerian Bar Association. Long live Rivers State. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you very much. This press statement has been signed by all the chairmen of the 8 branches of Rivers State. Cordelia U.A.K. Mrs. Chairman, Port Harcourt Branch. Hilda Desmond Hekaire, PhD, Chairman, Mahoda Branch. Simple Diova Esquire, Chairman, Ishokbo Branch. Abiye A. Abo Esquire, Chairman, Degema Branch. Dr. N. A. Duso, Chairman, Ori Branch. Dr. Celestine N. Wako, Chairman, Okehi Branch. Tamnosiki A. Roberts, Chairman, Okrika Branch. And Ekele Denichuku Odo Esquire, Chairman, Omoko Branch. Thank you very much.
Gentlemen, we will now take a few questions. Well, as you can see, this is a statement concerning a specific issue, nothing related to the Tony Okocha issue. And that time, there was an ultimatum, of course, that was issued. And
Subsequently, we had to decide whether it was necessary or not to engage. We react to issues based on what transpired at the moment. This position taken by the chairman is because of the prevailing circumstances. As the matter develops, as the situation develops, if we find it necessary to take further steps, of course, we will come together and decide what steps to take. But for now, we cannot preempt and say this is what we are going to do because we do not know exactly what will happen after today. Thank you.